Hey ladies, it's your girl, Rudra, and I'm so excited to kick off this brand new fitness journey with you. Join me as I take on the challenge of getting fit in just a week using these simple tips. Let's see how much progress I can make. We're going to sweat together, push our limits, and most importantly, have some fun along the way. Are you ready? Let's do this. When we're physically fit, we have more energy, we're more confident, and we can tackle our daily tasks with ease. This week is all about making small, sustainable changes that will transform your life. So grab your water bottle, put on your workout gear, and let's get started. All right, ladies, let's dive into our first tip: start small. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make when trying to get fit is going all in, all at once. Instead of trying to do everything at once, focus on making small, manageable changes to your routine. For example, instead of committing to hour-long gym sessions every day, why not start with 10-minute workouts 3 times a week? It might not seem like much, but trust me, those 10 minutes can make a world of difference. Plus, when you see yourself consistently showing up, even for just 10 minutes, it gives you this amazing sense of accomplishment and motivates you to keep going. Just find a little space in your living room, put on some energizing music, and get moving. Let's face it, ladies, working out is always more fun with a friend. That's why my next tip for getting fit fast is to find yourself a workout buddy. Having someone to support and motivate you can make all the difference, especially on those days when you're feeling less than enthusiastic about hitting the gym or your living room floor. Think about it. When you're struggling to push through that last rep, knowing that your friend is right there with you, cheering you on, can give you that extra boost of energy to power through. Now, your workout buddy doesn't have to be a fitness fanatic, just someone who's willing to join you on your journey and support your goals. This could be a friend, a family member, a coworker, or even an online community. So, reach out, find your fitness squad, and let's conquer those fitness goals together. All right, ladies, let's talk about HIIT. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is one of my favorite ways to get a super effective workout in a short amount of time. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. The magic of HIIT lies in its ability to torch calories and boost your metabolism, not just during your workout, but for hours afterward. Plus, HIIT workouts are usually much shorter than traditional cardio sessions, so you can get a great workout in just 20 minutes. You'll be sweating, you'll be pushing your limits, but most importantly, you'll be feeling that amazing post-workout high. Let's be real, ladies. Getting fit isn't just about working out. It's also about what we fuel our bodies with. And that's where meal prepping comes in. Trust me, meal prepping is a game changer when it comes to staying on track with your fitness goals. When you have a fridge full of delicious, pre-portioned meals ready to go, you're much more likely to make healthier choices. With a little planning and organization, you can easily whip up a week's worth of healthy meals in just a couple of hours on the weekend. Meal prepping not only saves you time and energy during the week, but also helps you save money and reduce food waste. So, grab your containers, plan your meals, and let's get prepping. Last but not least, ladies, let's talk about the importance of setting realistic goals. Having goals gives you something to work towards and helps you stay motivated and focused on your journey. Instead of aiming to lose 10 pounds in a week, which, let's be honest, is not healthy or sustainable, why not aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds, or even just focus on making healthier choices throughout the week? Remember, progress over perfection. So, track your progress, acknowledge your achievements, and don't be afraid to reward yourself along the way. Set those goals, crush them, and then set even bigger and bolder ones. And that's a wrap, ladies. We did it! We made it through our week of simple fitness tips, and I hope you're feeling as amazing as I am. Remember, this is just the beginning of your fitness journey. Thanks for tuning in, ladies. Don't forget to comment below and let me know your favorite tip from this video. See you in the next one. Bye.